Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use Lottie animation in our Flutter application. Let's begin. First of all, open any editor like Android Studio or Visual Studio Code. I enjoy work with Android Studio, that's why I am using Android Studio. Oh, okay, let's create a new Flutter project. Enter and then enter the project name and click on the next button and then click on finish. A project is creating. After successfully created our project, we redirect it to the main screen of our project. By default, main.dat file is already created in all of the new Flutter project. First of all, clear the default stuff because we do not need them in our project. And then after, we have to create a my app stateless widget to run our app, and in the widget we have to return material app. In the material app widget, we have to set home to home page and title to the Lottie animation. For the home page, now we have to create one stateful widget. That stateful widget returns the scaffold. That scaffold is the base of our application. Create app bar, and in the app bar we have to set our title into the center. That's why we set the center title to the true. And now we have to give the title to the app bar is Lottie inside the text widget. Now we have to write our code for the body part of the scaffold. In the body part, we set the parent widget as a center and that center widget child. In the child, we set the text widget, and in the text widget, we write Lottie animation. And now we have to check our application is properly working or not. Okay, our application is running successfully. Please ignore that error which displays in console. For the Lottie animation, visit pub.dev. In the pub.dev, search Lottie and visit that package. Here is the current version of the Lottie is 0.3.4. Copy that Lottie dependency. Now open the pubsec.yaml file and paste into the below dependencies and click on packages get. After getting package, import. After getting package, now import Lottie into the main.dat file. For the Lottie animation, visit the lottiefiles.com and you can explore a lot of animations here. For now, we visit the popular animation page. In that page, lot of popular animation stuff is here to explore. There are a lot of animations. You can pick any one of them. Let's pick any random animation like the which one we should pick. Let's pick first one. Open that animation and click on download and then click on Lottie JSON. After downloaded successfully, for your convenience, change the name to that file. I changed to the Lottie file. After that, open Android Studio and make assets name directory in your project and paste that Lottie file.json into that assets directory. Paste that file into the assets directory. Now open the pubsec.yaml file and initialize the path of your Lottie file.json into the pubsec.yaml. Then after, you can use that Lottie file.json to your project successfully. For setting the path, you have to set assets colon and then give to the path assets slash lottiefile.json, and then after click on package get, now you can switch to the main.dart file. In the main.dart file, in the center set container to the child, set height to that 300 and width 300. And the child of that container is to be set as to lottie.assets widget. In that widget, paste to that JSON file path into the parameter and now run the application. Okay, great. Our application runs successfully, and here you can show your Lottie animation. If you want to access your Lottie file from the internet or GitHub, you can easily access that file. Okay, let's see. Make a column and set equal container into it and set the widget lottie.network. Now we are making the container, and now we make another container, give them height 300 and width 300, and set the child for the lottie.network and paste the URL. And then run the application. Okay, now you can see our application runs successfully and see both animations from assets and network. Okay, let's see what we have done so far. Go to the pubsec.yaml, edit the Lottie dependency, and then initialize that Lottie path. And then after, assets lottie.json, initialize the path, and then after in the main.dart file, import that Lottie package and set the widget like lottie.assets and lottie.network. Guys, if you want to explore more, then you can visit that official documentation of the Lottie files, which is already in pub.dev. Here is our application, and that application runs successfully, and you can see that is the pretty good animations we run in our application. In the documentation is well explained documentation. You can use animation controller to handle that Lottie animation, transition, and all of stuff. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.